Then this is the, I think this is the essential oil. Yeah. Aromatherapy. I chose lavender. Ooh, the bottle is so cute. One, two, three, 4. So, isa-set lang natin siya sa number 4. It sprays 5 seconds every 20 minutes. Actually, ilang days na tong gumagana, kaya halos kalahati na ang nabawas. So, rechargeable siya. USB cable ito. Yan. So, after 20 minutes, magi-spray ulit yan for 5 seconds. At ang bango-bango.